Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Nararamdaman na natin ang summer.
Yes.
For sure, naghahanap kayo ng mga staycation.
Even mga private pools na pwede natin pag-swimmingan.
Nandito tayo sa Panipuan, San Fernando, Pampanga, and we were invited by Balewacas
Private resort.
Yun guys, so we wanna show you more about this place. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
First off, pagdating mo dito, para sa akin, napaka-minimalist na elegant.
Napaka-simple,
Oo.
napaka-presko sa mata,
Aha.
feeling talaga, napaka-light.
So, meron tayo ditong your own swimming pool area. And then on this side, meron tayo ditong events hall. So before ka makarating dun sa villa natin, separate yung ating dirty kitchen, which is secluded talaga siya. Yung mga villa natin are supposed to be for rest.
Yes.
No? Matutulog. So dito guys, it has 2 bedrooms. Meron tayo ditong additional matting. 2, 4, 6, 8 siguro. Including yung natin, roll up.
2 beds dito.
Additional 2 beds. So this is additional 4 packs.
So napaka-simple lang niya, and napaka-luwalas.
So all in all, up until 15.
Actually, maluwang talaga eh.
Yeah.
Napakaluwang, pero yung makakatulog talaga ng komportable until 15 pounds.
Yep, okay.
Siyempre, tingnan natin kung ano na. CR, restroom.
Restroom. Look. Ang laki ng restroom guys. Parang isang kwarto pa. Ay isang kwarto pa. So, this is gonna be your moment. May time ka talaga kapag gagamitin mo yung CR nila. This is your cabinet. And then dito sa side na to, parang may service entrance. Right after mo mag-swimming, coming from there, diretso dito. Hindi na mababasa yung pinaka resting area natin. Nothing too much fancy. Let's go to the Villa B. So this is part of the villa na pwede mong i-avail. Mag-add ka lang ng 1,500.
1,500 and around 2,000 pag
Weekends and holidays. So it's the same area dun sa first natin. If you notice, loft type. Meron tayong 2 beds dito. Meron tayong additional mattings. This room still can accommodate up until 15. Additional 15. So if you're gonna rent the entire villa or the house, up until 30.
Pero mas siya, mas mura.
Mas mura.
Kung i-rent mo yung buo.
And then this is the lawn.
Meron silang separate na dalawang CR and
Shower
dalawang
room.
shower.
So let's go now to the pool area. One of the amenities na talagang pinupuntahan ng mga nagbabakasyon. You can use this one, to chill, a little bit of drink or food. Ito yung cement type na puan. Ito yung mga outdoor sofa. Ayan. O, di ba?
Kaya mo, nag-chill lang kayo under
Chill.
the sky.
What's special about their pool?
Ang kagandahan dito sa Balewacas, yung gamit nilang water dito is salt water.
Di ba mas nakakasakit ng mata yun or?
Alam natin is pag nag-swimming tayo, masakit sa mata. Gumagamit talaga sila ng asin, industrial salt, para maging salt water siya. At the same time, meron silang mga bagong machine dito na nagfi-filter nun. Di na sila gumagamit ng chemical na chlorine. So mismong salt water is yun yung nagpo-produce ng chlorine nila.
Correct me if I'm wrong, sa chemistry, NaCl ang salt.
So,
NaCl. Yung
sodium
Cl,
and chloride.
yes. So yung technology nila dito, yun yung nagpo-produce ng natural chlorine.
Para panlinis ng pool nila. The same time, kagandahan nga dito is mas maganda yung salt water sa bala natin.
Makes sense, makes sense. Of course, part pa rin ng resort natin dito is this hall. So you can actually book this one, small gathering like birthday, anniversary,
Wedding.
company outing. You have to book first yung kanilang villa para magamit natin to. Pero additional of 7,000 pesos, di ba?
pesos, magagamit mo na yung buong function hall, itong garden, and
Yes.
yung kanilang mga villa.
Remember guys, na-mention namin earlier na yung kung saan dining is separate dun sa talagang villa and yung kitchen natin. So this is your dining area. into a full circle kung saan tayo nagsimula dito sa front lawn nila.
Yes.
What are your final thoughts, Mark?
Ako dito talagang napakaganda ng place, napakabagong-bago. Kung kayo barkada, family, talagang ma-enjoy nyo yung lugar.
Para sa akin naman, pinag-isipan talaga yung design nito. Tinake consideration yung nagpapahinga, yung kumakain. So they really separate yung mga lugar na yon para kung natutulog ka, you can enjoy your rest. Kung kumakain ka, you can enjoy your food at the same time, nag-video okay.
Yes.
At kung nagsuswimming ka naman, natural po yung cleaning technology nila dito. That's an added feature, benefit,
Yes,
diba?
it's another benefit sa skin and an additional amenities na talagang bagong-bago sa mga swimming pools.
Mga bagong vloggers dito po sa Balewacas. Tingnan natin yung mga skills nila.
Agkatanda ko po kining Balewacas Private Resort located at Panipuan, Purokses, San Fernando, Pampanga. Dakal pong salamat!
Alright! Power! There you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out Balewacas. Check out their fan page. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out!